Can we get here?
Yeah.
Wow, honey, you go this one. So please don't tap Chinese characters here. Everybody say, look, this one is big. Wow. Let's say what kind of pearl can we get here? Wow, look at this one. So wow, this here. Okay, look at here. Now look at here. Let's see what kind of pearl can we get here.
Yeah.
Wow, honey, you go this one. So please don't tap Chinese characters because the TikTok have a very strict rule.
Yes.
We can tap English. It's okay. Jago, thank you, Jago, thank you. So let's say what we got the purple here. We got purple heart. Thank you, Junior. Thank you, Junior. Thank you, Jago. Thank you so much.
Thank you, baby.
Wow, we got. Thank you, Billy. Thank you, Billy. Thank you, Billy.
Thank you for Rose.
Wow, look at here. Thank you for Rose. Thank you, Pussy. Thank you, Billy. Thank you, Billy.
Thank you, Billy.
Thank you, Liquor Farm. Wow, this one, what a pity. We go. Thank you, Niji. Thank you, Taro. Thank you, Taro. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Christy.
Yes. Thank you.
Wow, let's get this pearl here. Thank you, Madison. Thank you, Madison. Thank you, Jago. Thank you, Kamataro. Wow, we got a one white. We got one white, 3 purple. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, thank you, Israel. Thank you for